Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try something new, something which I never cooked before. Just got this recipe from my friend and I'm just going to follow the steps and let's see if I can cook it to perfection or what mistake can happen. Let's find out at the end of our show. Today I'm going to try caramel custard. So first I'll prepare the caramel and then I'll show how to prepare the custard. So to begin with, take your vessel, turn on the heat on a very low flame, then add sugar. I've taken like 7 to 8 teaspoons of sugar. Then I'm adding little bit of water, just like two spoon of water to help the sugar melt, and then keep stirring it on a very low flame. Just keep stirring it. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes I've been doing like this and I just see sugar started to melt now. So I have to keep doing this until all the sugar is melted, and then the syrup should start turning to light brown color. So the sugar is melting now, so I'm not going to stir anymore. So I'm going to swirl the vessel like this to help sugar melt evenly. So looks like our caramel is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And now I'm going to add our caramel to the vessel which we will be using to prepare the custard. Spread it evenly over the entire surface and keep it aside. Now we can get started with custard. In a mixer jar, add half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and also I've taken 4 eggs. I'm going to add it in the mixture, and we have to blend this now. So I have blended it now, and now we can add milk. I'm going to add 3 cups of milk. And again in the mixer grinder I'm going to blend it. I've blended it now. Now I'm going to filter it for any residues. We can add it in our custard bowl. Just take a vessel, put it on a very low flame and add water. Just boil it for a while. So the water is boiled. Now we can keep our custard vessel and then close it with the lid, and then close the outer vessel with the lid. Make sure the lid is firm so that steam cannot escape. You can use any vessel with the proper lid that can hold up the steam. It's been 20 minutes, so we can turn off the gas and then just let it cool for a couple of minutes, and then we can open the lid. Now I'm going to open the lid. And then just open this one. Okay, looks like our thing is cooked well. Let me check with the stick. Okay, so we can let it cool like this for some more time, and then I'm going to refrigerate this vessel like close to 4 to 5 hours. I'll refrigerate it. I just took it out of refrigerator. Let's open it and using a knife to cut on the sides. And then using a plate. Boom. So that's our steam cooked caramel custard. Looks good, came out really well. Please try. Now let me taste it. Wow, looks really good. And then tastes really nice. Thanks for watching, guys.